Hey guys, welcome to Lumovest, and today we're going to talk about how we actually make money from stocks. We know we have to buy stocks, and we hear all the time that some people in the world made hundreds or thousands or millions of dollars from investing in the stock market. But how do these people actually make money from stocks? Like, where does the money come from? It always seems so abstract, and this is what we're going to explain in this video. In short, we make money from stocks in two ways, through dividends and capital gains. Dividends are cash payments companies make to the holders of their stocks. Recall that when we buy the stock of a company, we become one of the owners of that company. If you didn't know this, check out this video right here at the top. Companies that generate lots of profit and cash flow from selling its products and services will give the money it earns back to its owners. The cash the companies pay to its owners is known as dividends. Think about Starbucks, for example. They make lots of money by selling coffee to consumers around the world. Starbucks uses a portion of that money to run the business and gives the remainder back to its owners. So if you own stocks in Starbucks, every time someone in the world buys coffee, it's adding to the amount of money that Starbucks can pay you in dividends because you own a piece of Starbucks. Companies often pay dividends on a regular basis, usually every 3 months or 4 times a year. So if you own shares of a company that pays dividends, you can expect cash coming into your bank account every 3 months. Let's say a stock pays 50 cents in dividends per share. If you own 1,000 shares, then you'll receive $500 for each dividend payment every 3 months, or $2,000 every year. That's a fantastic stream of passive income for just owning a stock. You're making your money grow itself, and that's exactly what you should do. So that's dividends. The second way we make money from stocks is through capital gains. That is, by selling a stock at a higher price than what we bought it for. This usually happens when the market believes the company we invested in became more valuable. Maybe its products were a huge success. Maybe it was able to significantly reduce cost. Take Apple, for example. In the beginning, Apple didn't have that many revolutionary products. But then, they launched the iPods, iPhones, iPads, and iWatches, and the company made a tremendous amount of money selling these products. As a result, the company's stock increased from about $2 back in 2004 to about $200 now in 2018. That's $198 in capital gains. So if you had invested $1,000 with Apple back in 2004, you would have made $198,000 from the increase in stock price. So that's how we make money from stocks, through dividends and capital gains. Thanks for watching this video. We're really glad that you're here, and if you enjoyed what you learned about dividends and capital gains, hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to watch more videos, remember to subscribe to our channel.